The Union Cabinet on Friday approved a draft bill to ensure stricter punishments for paper leaks, hours after Prime Minister Narendra Modi made an announcement. The proposed legislation comes amid mounting concerns over recurring paper leaks and irregularities in competitive recruitment and entrance examinations. The centre has faced increasing pressure from student protesters and opposition parties to strengthen the legal framework, deter organized malpractice and ensure greater accountability during public examinations. While the text of the bill has not yet been made public, it is expected to prescribe tougher penalties for those involved in leaking question papers and other examination-related offences. It may also introduce measures to expedite investigation and trial. Currently, individuals face 3 to 5 years imprisonment and a fine of up to Rs 10 lakh if convicted in a paper leak case. Sources inform that the new bill could increase the punishment to 10 years and a fine of up to Rs 10 crore. The amendment bill is expected to be introduced in the Lok Sabha on Monday.